Nevado de Toluca is a 4,680 meter tall dormant stratovolcano located about 80 kilometers west of Mexico City. It's renowned for the twin lakes in the crater, the Lake of the Sun and the Lake of the Moon, and it's Mexico's fourth highest mountain. It was once even the site of human sacrifices by jaguar warriors. And I rode my bicycle up it and camped in the crater. It was both one of the most difficult and one of the most amazing things I've ever done. Right now you're seeing some of the pictures I took along the way, but you also see video and my own commentary on how difficult it was and the challenges I faced, along with more of the amazing scenery. It's part of my Trans-Mexico cycling route bikepacking trip, which is part of a larger trip where I crossed Canada, Mexico, US, and Guatemala. So check out the video and hopefully you'll check out some more of my videos and like and subscribe. Spent the night in Valley de Bravo, which is a nice lake town. A lot of people don't realize that Mexico is a country of many lakes. Just kidding. No, it's not. It's kind of nice to see a lake for a change. Headed out and we'll see how climbing Nevado de Toluca goes. I've got 3,600 meters of elevation gain in about 80 kilometers. So hoping I can do that in 2 days. So we'll see. Nice day. Always nice weather. The weather in Mexico is pretty awesome actually. Should be a good day. 7 a.m. and I'm all packed up and ready to start riding. I camped at 2,900 meters elevation last night, so that'll help me acclimatize for the big climb up to the top of Nevado de Toluca, which I'll be going up to 4,200 meters. I've got 300 meter descent to town now, and then another 150 meter descent, so I've got total of I think around 1,700 meters of climbing today and 50 kilometers, and that'll get me to the top of the mountain, but I don't know if it'll happen today or if it'll happen tomorrow. We'll see. I'm up to 2,800 meters again now, still, which means I got 1,400 to go, but I got another downhill, so more than that. Can't see the cone of the volcano yet, but I think I'll be seeing it soon. Stopped to show you this little valley with a town, which is pretty picturesque, and yeah, that's about it. Having a good day. Looks like this isn't gonna be my first winter without snow after all. Nevado de Toluca there, and I am going up it. I'm not going all the way up it. I'm going up to 4,200 meters, and this very high, tall summit part is 46, so almost all the way. I found a flat-ish spot. I think my tent's gonna go right there. And it's sort of hidden from the road, but I am pretty damn tired, so I'm calling it a day here and setting up camp. Was feeling pretty rough yesterday with really steep grades, and rode only 5 kilometers to the last town before the top of Nevado de Toluca. So got a room there and had a bit of a rest and let myself acclimatize a little bit more. That was at 3,500 meters, and I'm on my way up. The final push, it's a 10 to 12% grade, and going up to 4,200 meters. I've done a little over 100 meters of elevation gain already. So looks like today's the day. I'm gonna get to the top. Here it is, getting closer. Not going to the very top, but going up to the edge of the top of the edge of the crater so I can look down into it. I'm up to 3,872 meters, which puts me over halfway for today. I passed some other cyclists with bikes that weren't loaded with a ton of crap, which made me feel a little bit better about how much I'm struggling up this climb. So, getting there. Brakes, they're good. Left is front, right is back.
Pero es suave, slowly o po?
Fast downhills.
Para bajar.
¿Puedes manejar una Monster sin carga?
Déjame le hago.
It's amazing.
Yeah?
Okay, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah.
No?
I'll take yours
You
to
can
the
walk,
top.
you
I'll
can
meet you
walk.
there. Up in the snow. And way up and everything. Got a bunch of cyclists that have been cheering me on. I'm at 4,105 meters at the moment. Got about 100 meters left to climb, and looks like just over there is one of the crater access points. So maybe I'm getting a bigger rest soon. Man, it's hard. I'm almost at the top. I think that's a foot access way to get to the crater, but I'm not sure. The people that have been cheering me on the climb actually paid for me to have access, which was awfully nice of them, so I'll be following that road and getting access to the crater soon. Well, I rode my bicycle into the crater of a volcano. I'm light camping. Alright, so I've just finished filtering some water from the lake and the volcano. So, drink from a volcano, check. And now I'm gonna go find somewhere to discreetly sit till around dark o'clock and then set up camp, and I'll put camp in a volcano check. Early morning after camping in the crater, and I'm all packed up and ready to go. Everything's over there, got a big descent coming. It's pretty nice with the lake is perfectly smooth, reflecting the crater walls. So, yeah. It was recommended that I take the same way down that I went up because I'm going to Toluca because I need new shoes. And I looked at how steep and rough the Trans-Mexico looked and decided, yeah, I like the idea of a more mellow descent, so I'm doing that.
Oh, this was a pretty amazing achievement, but I've done other stuff and I'm going to keep doing stuff that's pretty amazing. So check out my other videos and like and subscribe and leave some comments. Thanks a lot.